Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the Allure specification. So this car we've taken in part exchange, and it's got a full service history with Howard's. It comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, there's keyless entry, tinted rear windows and a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, and on top of this you get air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car's done under 8,500 miles. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre petrol engine that gives you 82 horsepower. As I said earlier, it's only done 8,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.